In class 9, we have to discuss a very important chapter, that is polynomials. You know very well that a function px of the form a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus dot 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 plus a n x to the power n, where a0, a1, a2 dot 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 a n, these are real numbers. These are real numbers, and these are also coefficients of the polynomial, and n is a non-negative integer. Then this function is called polynomial. So if a0, a1, a2 dot 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 an, if these are integers, then px is said to be polynomial over integers. But here we are discussing about polynomials over real numbers. So a0, a1, a2 dot 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 an, these are the coefficients also, and these are the coefficients of this polynomial, and these are also real numbers. But the powers of x, this should not be negative integer, it should be non-negative integer. Then we can say that the function is a polynomial. So what is the standard form? Standard form of the polynomial. A polynomial in x is said to be in a standard form if the powers of x are either in an increasing order or in decreasing order. If the polynomial is expressed in such a way that the powers of x are in increasing order or in decreasing order, then we can say that the polynomial is of standard form. For example, you see this polynomial 3x plus 5x cube plus 2x square minus 8. You see this function. This is a polynomial whose standard form is 5x cube plus 2x square plus 3x minus 8. Here in this polynomial, the powers of the variable terms are in decreasing order. You can express also in increasing order. So if you write in increasing or decreasing order, then we can say that the polynomial is of standard form. Now we have to discuss about monomial, binomial, trinomial, so what is monomial? A polynomial is said to be a monomial if it consists only one term. For example, minus 3x square only. So this minus 3x square is having only one term. So this is a monomial. 5x to the power cube, this is a monomial. What is binomial? In binomial, it consists of two terms. For example, 2x square plus 5. This is a binomial. Here there are two terms, 2x square and 5. In trinomial, similarly, there should be how many terms? There should be three terms. For example, x cube plus x plus 1. So this is a trinomial. So if the expression or if the function is in this form, that is a0 is constant number, a1x, here a1 is the coefficient of x, a2 is the coefficient of x square. Similarly, it will go up to x to the power n, where an is the coefficient of x to the power n. Then this type of function is called polynomial. This is a polynomial of degree n. If the polynomial is of degree 2, then that will be, then the power of highest power of x will be 2. If the polynomial is of degree 1, then the highest power of x will be 1. So these are the types of polynomials, and you know very well that this a0, where coefficients numbers or where any variable numbers are not there, then we can say that this is constant number. Now come to the next place. The point is zero polynomial. What is zero polynomial? A polynomial, each one whose coefficients is 0, that is called zero polynomial. And what is constant polynomial? A polynomial consisting of a single term of a real number, that is called constant polynomial. For example, 5, this is a you can say constant polynomial. -3, this is a constant polynomial. √7, this is a constant polynomial, because only constant numbers are there. And degree of the polynomial, what do you mean by degree of the polynomial? Degree of the polynomial. Degree of the polynomial. So the exponent of the term containing the highest power of the variable. The exponent of the term containing the highest power of the variable, that is called the degree of the polynomial. So we don't assign any degree to a zero polynomial. The degree of a constant polynomial is 0. The degree of a constant polynomial is 0. So if you take px is equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus dot 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 plus a n x to the power n, this is a polynomial of degree n. Similarly, 3x square minus 5x plus 6, this is a polynomial, and this is a polynomial of degree 2, because highest power of the variable term is 2. 5x to the power 4 minus 3x square plus 6x minus 1, suppose. So this is a polynomial of degree 4. In this way, we can understand about degree of the polynomial. Now, if any expression or if any function is given, then you can find whether the given function is a polynomial or not. For this, we have to check whether the function is in this form. Secondly, a0, a1, a2, an are real numbers. And third one is the power of x is a non-negative integer. If these things will be there, then that is called degree of the, that is called polynomial. I think it is clear. Thank you.